Okay, what I'm doing here is replacing an ignition. And a lot of people have a problem with this. It's not really that hard. There's no screw inside here, as you can see, to hold it in. But what you do is you get a small flathead screwdriver. You put it right inside here. And I already did this, but you hit the back of this with a hammer and pop through the metal. And once you do that, just push it in and wiggle it, and you pull that out right there. And I can kind of see the hole right there. And the next time you just pop it off, same way. Hope this helps, guys.